the contacts have been set up so that you can include both the landowner and the lessee and the manager, or who you want to contact if you want to drop in that day, which is potentially useful information. It does at this stage have public-private sort of stuff, but that does come out of the landowner up there in the stock. Again, consents is theoretically set up to connect into the consents database. That link doesn't always work. But what it should give you is, if nothing else, the consent number and what the activity is. And there is a facility there where it will pull up the consent officer's report if that's available, but it probably isn't. And the only failing of this one is that it only picks up consent points that are within the polygon. It doesn't pick up. For example, one of our wetlands is affected by water takes up to the canal, but that doesn't come up because it's not the consent dot is too far away.
So about consent, spatial information isn't that flash in terms of its quality. It's a very old system, so it's part of the flaw in the building. And
what else can I tell you? As for the rest of it, the wetland ID is just a unique number given to everyone. The size should be populated from the spatial information, and the quick search is just so if you know the wetland ID number or the first few letters of the name, you just pump it in there and pull it out. And on our terrestrial database, we'll improve that with an advanced search so that, like if I put in let's just use Kaituna as an example, we've got one wetland called Lower Kaituna, but most people just think it's Kaituna, so if they put KAI, you're going to get the first KAI in that list. But in an advanced search, it will give you everything with KAI in it, and you get a list and you be able to compare. So the advanced search is actually a vast improvement. And that's about it.
so that's the wetlands version of the tool. All the whole suite looks the same. This is the geothermal one. It looks the same. So the screens for all of them are exactly the same. It uses the same design the whole way through the entire suite, so very easy to use, keeps it simple.
The only difference here is that on this one we've put up front the significance. Because in the geothermal system we basically have one report that gets redone over time. So what we got the consultant to do is put all the information in an Excel spreadsheet, which we could just suck all into the database in one hit. And that also enabled us to put this right up front. So every time a consents officer goes in here and they go to that site, they know the monitoring comes right.
If there's a monitoring site within your wetland or your geothermal area, do you have a link, or is there potential to actually incorporate the monitoring and the results, like the beach plot or whatever, within this system? Or?
At the moment it would have to link to the reports and the data. As if we had a spatial point, we would probably be able to connect that in. We haven't gone quite that far yet.
No, we do have some of that monitoring stuff does have GIS points, but not all of it, so we can't rely on spatial queries to do that. But that's ideally we want to do.
And frankly, our biodiversity monitoring isn't really still quite a lot of work to do.
Can I just ask, is there any thought about making this available to be requested by other organisations? So I could see some of your wetland information might be of interest in projects that people are land here at. Are you open to that or not?
We have, well, it's kind of hard, it's that whole privacy and landowner information issue. So we kind of have to be a little bit cagey, but yes, there is a data request sort of system set up, and the administrator is the gatekeeper for that.
So would you think you'd have some kind of metadata system that say, I have information on these wetlands, and then...
We don't have metadata.
Because otherwise, we won't know it exists. Like, say, as an main parent, I know I'm involved in a project that's scoping out information on wetlands, and we won't know that you have it.
Well, we could fill out some metadata for you if that's something that you were interested in. I mean, most of our wetlands information, we went round and we mapped a lot of wetlands in the region and we mapped vegetation, but in a lot of cases that's about all the information we have. So there's not many wetlands where we have a whole suite of hydrology and complete species lists and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, certainly open to data requests. It's just how that would be used, what forms it would go into. Because it's private information.
Yeah.
A few languages are a bit sketchy.
The system has quick service data sharing capability
Okay.
behind the scenes,
Yeah.
but it is, at the moment, it is very ad hoc as to how we set that information up. And there is metadata stored about the methodologies and how the information is captured and all that sort of stuff, sitting in behind the scenes as context for the data as well.
Okay.
We have talked about with the developers, with Scott, we've talked about whether or not we can tag a particular record. So you can know that that site exists, but that's about all that we can know.
Yeah, well, I mean, that would probably be enough that you know that, you know, if you hold some information about a wetland, then we, you know, someone would contact
Yeah.
you or whoever, but that'd be useful for people to know so they don't, you know, try and redo what's already been.
We do, I mean, I have had reasonably regular requests for this kind of information, not just on wetlands, but also on geothermal and various other layers that we hold. So we try to share it as much as we can, but I think some.
A lot of the stuff which we have GIS layers for, we're actually putting onto a public website, and we're just trying that at the moment. So and that's all open standards, so it can be consumed by any GIS tool as well. So, but it comes back to that whole private information thing too. So some of the wetlands won't necessarily show up on the GIS layer.
Yeah, well, I guess it's like as we suppress